Welcome back to Cultivating Contentment. We continue our discussion. This is week 3, day 4, and our topic this week is the complainer in all of us. There's not a scripture verse that goes with today, but there is this quote from Lucy Swindoll. People may not be aware of all of my internal struggles because I've learned through much practice to resist dumping the whole truck on some unsuspecting victim. I think that these are pretty wise words where we really need to practice that. We need to be aware of when we're talking about that. Just because we're having all these struggles doesn't mean everybody else has to experience them with us. Now, it is nice to have somebody to walk through that with us, but I think we need to be intentional about who we pick to be that person. We don't need to unload on everybody, because that might be the last straw for that person, you dumping on them as well. I don't know, I think I have that face that everybody thinks they can just talk to, and I'll be standing in line where I don't know anybody, and people will just start telling me all of their problems and struggles, and I'm not sure why, because I really just listen. I don't really offer much compassion. I'm a logical person. I don't tend to have really compassionate leanings, but I try. But I guess I'm a good listener, so that's why they think they can tell me everything. So we're just going to jump right into our questions for today. So this is our question 7 for the week. If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. We've all heard this before. It's a good reminder for us to curb our tongue. But are there times, when our complaints can be heard without condemnation? So is there a place and time for us to file our complaints or to air our complaints? And then question 8, let's compare a couple of complaints. First, consider the parable of Jesus in Matthew 20:1-16. What was the response of the workers to the owner of the field in Matthew 20:11? And then, all right, let's take a look at another complainer in 1 Samuel 1:12-17. Why is this woman upset? So read those two stories and then compare their complaints, or maybe the way that they complained. And that'll be it for today. Tomorrow will be our last day for this chapter, and so we'll have our wrap up tomorrow. So until then, please stay safe and have a good day.